What's up, Street Talks? Eric from the Eric Street Photography blog. So, just got hands on the new Ricoh GR3. Long story short, I think is the new king of cameras, just any camera in general, and I highly recommend you to buy it if you could afford it. If not, Ricoh GR2. All Ricohs are good Ricohs. GR Mafia for the win. So, I wanted to just do a quick video to promote the Aircam neck strap, which I personally designed with Cindy to make the best strap for the Ricoh GR2, or the Ricoh GR3. So the thing that's really fun about these cameras is that there's these little loops in the corner which make it a little bit different than traditional cameras. And so we designed straps that have these little loops that could go inside the edges. So basically, you get the Aircam strap, whether the neck strap or the wrist strap. You just take the little end here and just kind of, let's see if the video could do it. Good job. Just take the end, and then you can either take a piece of floss, because mine's already readied. You stick it through this tiny loop here, and you push it through, and bada bing, bada boom, it comes out. Then what you do is you take the long end, take this, strap it through here, right? And then, cool. So you're set. And then you take the other part, make sure you have the little loop thingy here. And then you take the little loop guy, and same thing. Just kind of hood it, find the edge of the top, loop that bad boy in. So you see here, loops through and out. Pull through here, then stick this through here, and you tie it. Then now that you have two bolt pieces, just take this thing here, loop it through this guy here, and you can adjust however tight you want it. Let's say you just make it the maximum tightness. Stick it through here, right? So the buckle is attached, and then you just take this end and loop it through here. Cool. Oops. Forgot. Stick it through this part, like kind of a belt buckle. And then you could just loop this little guy here. Now you have the Ricoh GR2 or the GR3. You just kind of carry it around your neck, so whenever you see anything good, you don't have to think about it, right? You just click and just click and just shoot however you like to please. And the reason I designed the Aircam neck strap is I wanted to lower the amount of friction necessary for you to just, when you're out shooting on the streets, to just always have it with you. And so when you're just kind of walking around, you could just go click, click, click. And as a consequence, you're going to shoot more photography. The more you shoot, the happier you'll be. So when in doubt, just shoot it. Highly recommend the Ricoh GR2 or the GR3. Both are excellent. And yeah, check it out. I'll have a link to the neck strap as well as the wrist strap, HAPTIC INDUSTRIES.com. And yeah, Ricoh Mafia for life. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Peace out.